Dupli-Color Tire Paint Clear. How to apply it. I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. Thank you for being here. We're going to go over today how to apply Dupli-Color Tire Paint Clear. I'm going to show you the fastest way to get awesome results, weeks, months of durability. $6.99, acrylic based, does not sling, dries so fast, it's like 80 degrees right now. $6.99, readily available normally at O'Reilly's. I cannot find this at AutoZone. I think they stopped carrying it, but Amazon you can get this for like 14 bucks. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all in really quick, show you the tire, show what we're dealing with. Okay, so there it is. We got some Michelins. They got about probably 30,000 miles on them. Got them cleaned up for y'all. I didn't want to bore y'all with the process, okay? There's nothing on them. They are about as clean as they are gonna get. I went over them 3 times, it's super clean. All right, and everybody's like, what are you gonna do if you get overspray? I'm gonna show you a little trick that I do. Shake the can up. I'm gonna go around this. I don't know. We're gonna see what kind of gloss we can get on these. I don't know. It might go heavy. I don't know. Sometimes you gotta just kind of feel the moment. So, y'all ready? So shake the can up. Here we go. I'm gonna go inside to outside. The key to this, even if you're doing black, I'm not taping. I know y'all are freaking out, but the key to this is fluid arm motion. Okay? Biggest tip I can give you guys is prep and fluid arm motion. Okay? Y'all can see the tire. Here we go. I want to bring y'all in. I want to show you how fast it flashes. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this. Nothing. Look at that. Amazing. That's 1. Maybe we'll go 3. I don't know. All right. Let it get dry. Okay. Here we go. Here's number 2. Number 2, bring y'all in. Here we go. Look at that. I'm telling you what. Love this stuff. Oh, that looks good, don't it? Oh, that looks so good. Here we go. Alright. Bring y'all in. Alright, there we go. Give it a second. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Got a clean hand right here. I don't know why I started doing this, but I think it just helps everybody see. Here we go, clean hand right here. Nothing. All right. I'm gonna show you all my little trick at the end. All right, here we go. We're gonna do 2 fast ones. All right. 1, 2, 3. Alright, done. I quit. If y'all are worried about overspray, this stuff right here, odorless mineral spirits, mineral spirits is the key. Get you a microfiber sponge or something like that. If you're worried about this, I normally don't. I normally can never see where it's at. Put it on there. Give you a little wipe, little wipe, little wipe, little wipe, little wipe. Alright, if you think you got it on there, alright, it will come right off, okay? I'm just cleaning it up. That way y'all can see. Alright, cleaned up my mess. It is dry to the touch. Right here. Y'all see it? Bring y'all in. Here we go. Oh, it is looking beautiful. Look at that sheen. I like the clear because I think it gives more of a satin finish. That is why I love this. Alright, I'll step back so y'all can get the good lighting. Just look at that. I mean, you're talking, we're going to do this weekly, but you're talking, at least right now, you're looking at least a minimum 2 months. You're not going to have anything but a great time, not having to worry about dressing your tires anymore. pH neutral soap, go over it, it'll sling it off. It's already cured. It's already cured on there. Okay, so hope y'all are doing well. Stay safe. I hope y'all enjoyed this. It's easy. Y'all saw the odorless mineral spirits and how quick I cleaned up. Even if it was black, I could do that. All right, so anyways, love y'all. Stay safe, keep it simple. I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.